Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up? I'm going to teach you how you can easily repair a hole in any kind of clothing, especially one like this that's right on a seam. The first thing we're going to do is flip the item inside out. Basically, we just have to redo the stitches along the seam line right here. We're going to take a threaded needle, so we've just put the thread through the needle all the way through until the ends meet at the bottom there. We're just going to start at one side of the hole, go right in through both layers of fabric like that. Pull your needle almost through but not all the way through, so we're leaving some thread hanging out there. And then we're going to go back through as close to the same hole as you can, and now you'll have this loop of thread. And before we pull that shut, we're going to put the needle through the loop and then pull it closed, and that makes a nice knot. And we're going to do that over and over at least 2 or 3 times, putting our needle through that loop and pulling it tight. So now all you have to do is go down and up, coming out on the same side, and just pull your needle through. So now we'll go one step back from where we just did that, go down and up through both layers of fabric, and then pull your needle through. So this is something called a back stitch, and it's just a really nice, tight, secure stitch. And we're trying to stay on the same line of the seam that was already there. So again, go down and up, pull your needle through. We'll do that until we've gone all along the hole. All right, so we've closed our hole, we can see that. Now all we have to do is do another knot to close off. So you can do the same down and up motion, coming out through the same hole you already came out, and then pulling through like that, and now going through that loop of thread and pulling it tight. And we'll do it 2 or 3 times, down, out through almost the same area where the first hole was, put our needle through that loop of thread, and then pull it tight. So we've made a couple knots. Now all you have to do is cut off your thread, and you can cut off this little piece that you started with, and now it's all sewn shut. So when you turn it back side out, you'll see the hole is no more. It's nice and sewn shut. So you can do this on any kind of clothing. That is how you close a seam when there's a hole. Thank you so much for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace!